Right. Jason, how has lean made your job better or easier? What effect has it had on you at Fireblast?
I mean, it's made me a better person. I think lean in itself, as you build people to better your organization, I think by building those people, help you become a better person. It's transformed my life dramatically. I mean, where you're identifying waste, but you can't unsee it once you start identifying it. Once it's there, there's no missing it. So for you to not take those same things that you do at work, to take them in your home life, I mean, it's from work to taking all the struggles and all that out of your life, making your job easier. Why wouldn't you want to do that? And why wouldn't you want to transform that into your life? There's one thing, I mean, we want to save time and we want to have quality in our lives. That's something that we can't get back. So the more you can be efficient at what you do, then the more time you're going to have to do the things that you really want to do. But as a person, for me, it's developed me to be the best I possibly can be. And even me, I lost 35 pounds recently.
Wow, awesome.
Due to kind of the same, I don't know if you've heard it, and anybody watching this might have heard that when you get a brand new machine, this comes from working in a lean organization. When you get it brand new out of the box, that's the worst it should ever look. When I started thinking about that same thought processing and implementing it in my life, I wish I would have done it sooner in my life because I probably would have been a little more handsome or a little better looking. But since I've done it, I thought about if I can be at my best, if I can take that same philosophy and put it to myself, take the waste out of my body, feed myself the good stuff, take care of myself, the message that I've delivered and everything that comes out of my mind, I'm going to be on point. There's nothing holding me back. And as long as I'm doing my best, if anything breaks down, it's not my fault. I'm doing the best I can possibly do to deliver the message and the help that I need to give to others.
So why do you want to do that yourself? I mean,
I think it just comes hand in hand with the respect for people and continuous improvement. When you have respect for people, I mean, honestly, I wasn't the best individual. I had respect for people, but I wouldn't do the things that I do now. I mean, when I go to a public restroom and I see trash overflowing out of the trash can, before I would just walk by it and yeah, if my trash fell out, yeah, I probably would just walk by. Nowadays, I'm the person picking everybody else's trash off the trash can or off the floor and putting it in the trash can. I frequently go to car shows, events that are outdoors that have porta-johns. If I go in that porta-john and it's a mess, I'm the person that's coming out. Next person going in is going to have a good experience. It's just giving the quality to others that you want yourself.
And you want to make things better than you, leave them better than you found them.
Exactly.
Okay. Awesome. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.